How to buy an Apple gift card online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can buy an Apple gift card online. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open up your web browser. After you open it up, simply search for Apple gift cards. So after you search for it, you will see an Apple's official site of gift cards. So simply head over there. And there you will see the buy option. Tap on buy. Now scroll down and you can choose how you would like to send it. I'll choose email and then a design. Choose whichever design you'd like and you can choose an amount. After doing so, you will need to enter your delivery details. So just type in who it's for and their email. So just type in your email. And after you type in your email, simply move on with that. If you want to send it to yourself, simply write your name. Now again write your email address, and after doing so, again you will need to move forward. Now tap on done. Now you can add a message here. This is completely optional. If you want to add that, and tap on add to bag. So after you tap on add to bag, you will need to now check out. Tap on checkout. Now you can continue as a guest or you can log in with your account. So you can type in your email here, tap on remember me, and then continue as guest. So go through this process and now you will need to set up your payment details. Set that up and tap on continue to review, and then you're basically good to go. Now your gift card will be sent to you at your email, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more